Well friends, here is the next problem. The given problem is, if history is coded as SRHGLIB, then geography can be coded as. To solve this, first let me consider history. Okay, let me consider history. Now, let me write the positions of these letters. Now, what is the position of the letter H? Yes, of course it is 8. For I, it is 9. And what is for S? Of course, it is 19. Now, what is for T? Yes, of course, it is 20. For O, 15. And for R, 18. Lastly, for Y, it is 25. Now, this history is coded as SRH, GLIB. Now, let me write the positions of these letters. Now, what is the position of letter S? Of course, it is, yes, 19. For R, it is 18. For H, yes, it is 8.
7.
For G, yes, 7. For L, it is 12. For I, 9. And for B, it is 2. Okay. Now, to get the analogy, friends, as I told you earlier, whatever the best possibilities are there, use all the possibilities. Okay, one of the possibilities, once again, I want to add these two numbers. Okay. Now, 8 plus 9 is 19 is what? 8 plus 19 is, yes, it is 27. Now, 9 plus 18, once again, it is 27. 19 plus 8, again 27. 20 plus 7, 27. 15 plus 12, yes, 27. 18 plus 9, yes, it is once again 27. 25 plus 2, once again 27. So, if I add these two numbers, that means if I add the positions of these two letters, I am getting as 27. The same analogy I am going to use to code geography. For that, let me consider geography, that is GEOGRAPHY. Now, what I have to do? I have to write the positions of these letters. What is the position of the letter G? Yes, it is how much? Yes, of course, it is 7. For E, is 5. For O,
15.
Yes, it is 15. For G, it is once again 7. For R, 18. For A, 1. Now, what is for P? Yes, 16. H, yes, of course, it is 8. And what is for Y? Yes, it is 25. Now, friends, to get 27, what I have to do? I have to add 20, right? That means I have to add 20. Now, what is the letter which is having position 20? Of course, it is T. Of course, it is T. Okay, now, to get 27, here what I need to do? I need to add 22, right? Now, 22 is the position of the letter V. Now, check the given options first. TE, TV. So, here TE, this will be wrong. TV, I will consider it, whereas G into V, sorry, GV, it will be wrong. And again, fourth, TV, I will consider. That means I will consider option 2 and option 4. I will not solve third because L is there. Now, I want to solve the fourth letter because the fourth letter is different. That means I am using smarter way. For fourth letter, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, here 7. To get 27, what I need to do? Yes, of course, it is. I need to add 20. Right? Now, what is the letter it is having position 20? It is T. Okay, that means the fourth letter I should get it as T. Now, when you compare these two options, in the option 2, I am not having T. Rather, in the option 4, The fourth letter I am having it as T. Therefore, the fourth option will be right option. Friends, we will see some more number of problems.